Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to install Linux Mint 22.2 Zara on VirtualBox 7.2.2. By the end of this video, you'll have Linux Mint fully set up and running on your computer. So let's get started. First, open VirtualBox. Once it's open, click on the New button to create a new virtual machine. In the window that appears, enter a name for your virtual machine. Next, in the ISO image drop-down, choose Other. And select the Linux Mint ISO file you downloaded earlier. Then, uncheck the box Proceed with unattended installation. Now, adjust the base memory. Then, set the number of CPUs you want to allocate. Check the box Use UEFI. Now, set the disk size for your virtual machine. Then click Finish to create your Linux Mint virtual machine. Then click Settings to adjust the configuration before starting. In Settings, go to System tab. In the chipset drop-down, change PIIX3 to ICH9. Next, go to the Display tab. Set the graphics controller to VMSVGA, check the box 3D acceleration, and set the video memory to the maximum. Next, go to the Storage tab. Select the virtual disk, then check the box for solid-state drive. Next, go to the USB tab, and select USB 3.0, XHCI, controller. Once you've made all the changes, just click OK to save everything. Alright, now let's fire it up. Click Start to boot your Linux Mint virtual machine. Once the VM starts, you'll see the Linux Mint 22 boot menu. Just select Start Linux Mint and hit Enter. Now that we're on the Linux Mint desktop, double-click the Install Linux Mint icon to start the installation process. First, pick your preferred language for the system. Once you've chosen, click Continue to move on. Next, choose your keyboard layout, usually it's English US. After that, just click Continue. You'll see an option to install multimedia codecs. I'm going to skip it this time, but I recommend checking this box so you can play videos and music without any issues. Then click Continue. In the installation type window, click Advanced Features and select Use LVM. This makes managing your disk easier in the future. Then click Install Now. A confirmation window will pop up saying it's about to write the changes to the disks. Click Continue to proceed. Now it's time to pick your time zone. You can either click on the map or choose your city from the drop-down. Once that's set, click Continue. Next, fill in your name, computer name, username, and password. You can also choose to log in automatically or require a password. I usually recommend keeping the password for security. Once everything's filled in, click Continue. Now Linux Mint will start installing. Just sit back and relax while the files are copied. This might take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a prompt to restart now. Go ahead and click it to reboot your Linux Mint virtual machine. After clicking Restart, you'll see a message saying to remove the installation medium. Just press Enter to continue and boot into your new Linux Mint system. Once Linux Mint boots up, you'll see the login screen. Enter your password if you set one, and you're in. Now, let's open the terminal. In the terminal, type sudo apt update and press enter. It will ask for your password, type it in and press enter again. This updates all the package lists so we're ready to install the latest software. Next, type in the terminal, sudo apt install build-essential dkms linux-headers- opening parenthesis uname or closing parenthesis -y, and press enter. This will install all the necessary tools and headers needed for VirtualBox guest editions to work smoothly. Next, go to the Devices menu at the top of VirtualBox, and select Insert Guest Edition CD image. A pop-up will appear inside Linux Mint. Click Run to start the installer. When prompted, enter your password and press enter. Now just wait for the Guest Editions installer to finish. Once the Guest Editions installation is complete, you'll see a message to press enter. Go ahead and press it to finish the setup. Finally, let's reboot the VM to apply all the changes. You can do this by clicking the menu, and selecting Restart. After rebooting, you'll notice the screen automatically resizes to fit your window. Thanks to Guest Editions, Linux Mint now adjusts perfectly. If the screen doesn't automatically resize, don't worry. Just go to the View menu in VirtualBox and toggle Auto Resize Guest Display off and on. This usually fixes it. And that's it. You now have Linux Mint fully installed on VirtualBox, ready to explore and use. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.